What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tyra, and thank you for joining me at Beauty Sent Her. As you can see by the title of the video, I'll be doing a wash and go. But y'all, this ain't no regular type wash and go. This is my straight to curl wash and go, so I'll be showing y'all all the extra love and care that I put into my curls after it's been hit with some heat. So I usually like to mix and match the different leave-ins that I try for my wash and goes. So today I'll be using Shea Moisture, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Strength and Restore. This is how it looks. And I'll be pairing it with a gel because I like to pair all my leave-ins with a gel. But y'all, not no any type of gel. It has to be the TRESEMME gel with the purple ribbon. I'm telling y'all, so far every leave-in I use, this gel has been amazing with it. Because y'all know sometimes if you mix a product with a gel, y'all get like that cottage cheese type nasty clumpy texture. But usually that hasn't been happening with anything since I've been using this gel. But further ado, let me stop chit-chatting and all this extra stuff, and let's get it. Let's go. Alright y'all, let's get into the nitty gritty. So I'll be using AUSSIE Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. Y'all, I love this stuff, literally love it. Now I'll just be taking my hair out my bun. Y'all, my hair was just looking crazy. And then I'm gonna just start to drench my hair with water. After my hair is drenched, I would go through it with a wide tooth comb just to make it feel all good and start detangling it before I put in my co-wash. So now, when I like to put in my co-wash, I like to split my hair into 4 different braids and sections. For when I put the co-wash in, I can just really focus on my roots and my hair would not get in the way. And I'll just put that all throughout my roots and make sure I really get my scalp. And I know how people say a little bit of product goes a long way. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I just love putting a lot of product in my hair. Now I'll be going through with the co-wash again and just putting it through my hair to focus more on my actual ends, and yeah. After that, I would just start detangling my hair. Y'all having a jam session, like Fantasia was really killing it. Now I'll take my shampoo and focus. You really want to focus on your scalp and get all that grime and dirt out. And y'all, I finally finished shampooing, and rinsing is my favorite part to just get over with. Now I'm sectioning off my hair and going through with my conditioner, and I'll do that on both sides. Y'all, that conditioner made my hair feel so good. I can just run my fingers through it. Y'all, this repair protein treatment, I'm trying to put y'all on the best. Has my hair feeling so good after I finished washing it. And it's a 10 out of 10. And since it's yogurt based, it's not going to be harsh on your hair. I'm just detangling it and putting in my 2 buns and my cap and let it sit for a couple hours. So this is my hair after I finished washing it. And y'all, use a big t-shirt, not a towel, because the towel will dry out your hair and the t-shirt is less harsh on your hair. Now I'll be using my Jamaican Black Castor Oil along with my jojoba oil to moisturize and nourish my hair. And I will just be putting that all throughout my hair, focusing on my scalp and roots. Now I'll be sectioning my hair off, starting from the back using my 360 mist spray. I love this spray. And then I'm just going to detangle, spray, detangle, leave-in, gel, and repeat. And y'all, the denim brush changed my life because I used to do my leave-ins with just detangling my denim brush in the beginning and not running my denim brush through my hair after putting in a product. But if you do this step, I'm telling you, it's going to have your curls and ends popping. So always use your denim brush after as well. Now I'm starting in the front of my hair. I like to go in like a big circle while sectioning off my hair. And I love doing the front of my hair. It's just, I don't know. It's just such a vibe to me. I just love doing the front. So again, spray, spray, spray. Detangle, leave in, gel, detangle, and repeat. And that's with no product, y'all. Look at them curls with no product. And just run that all throughout my hair. And when I put the gel on in the front, I don't like to run through, but slide it down. Now I'm going to go front to back, side to side, front to back, side to side. And this is my hair after I finished putting in the product. And now I would just get my diffuser and I'll diffuse my hair off camera and I'll show you how it looks after. And this is my hair diffused, got me looking like a 70s queen. And this is me picking my hair. And y'all cannot tell me I do not look like BB from the Proud Family and Miss One from the Wigs. Y'all probably gonna get the Miss One reference, but I'm gonna just show y'all her. So this Miss One. Alright, y'all, I am back. And from a grading scale of an A to F, I would give it like a B-. I just feel as though the Shea Moisture product didn't moisturize my hair as much. You get it, Shea Moisture didn't really moisturize my hair. But the product overall is a terrible product. I just don't think I will be using it again anytime soon. I just feel as though my hair was a little dry after using it. So I ended up putting my hair in this style, like a bun puff situation. And I took some TRESEMME gel and I just put it at my ends, and that's it. That's all I got for y'all for this video. But if you really did enjoy this video and being here with your girl Tyra at Beauty Sent Her, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also in the comment section, y'all, let me know what's your favorite leave-in products, and also what other products y'all would want me to try, or any other videos y'all want me to make, because y'all, I'm telling y'all, I do not mind being y'all guinea pig. I do not mind trying out new and different things to help y'all out and put each other on. Alright, y'all, it's a wrap and I am out.